How to install shingles the right way. The key to installing shingles is to not rush the process and to take our time. Speed is important. It keeps us competitive and allows us to provide for our families. But about speed without quality, we cannot have. So at Trust Roofing, we always teach the same mindset in shingling. Every nail at the right depth. Every shingle placed in the right location. If you make a mistake, you fix it. If we keep that mindset, every shingle roof we install will last for 20 years and stand the test of time. In Florida, your first row of shingles starts flush with the edge, no gaps or overhang. The next step is to snap chalk lines to keep the layouts of your shingles straight. We do the first chalk line 18.5 inches from the bottom, so that if there's any unevenness in the drip edge, our next row is still straight. Then we go every 45 inches up from that line in order to keep us moving straight along the roof. If it's a larger roof, we can do closer spacing, and if it's smaller, we can do less, but it's important to snap chalk lines to keep our rows straight. So every shingle has a reveal line, right? There's this location right here that shows where the next shingle is supposed to land. So make sure you use your gun and make sure that the entire way across the shingle, it sits right along that reveal line. That will keep you straight. Starting off your stair step. So to start off your stair step, you stagger each row about 6 inches apart. You're gonna save your offcuts as you're gonna be able to use that for your later rows. First nail goes about 1 inch away from the edge of the shingle. Second nail goes about 10 inches off of that first nail. All right, the next 3 nails go middle spaced throughout, with the final nail going again an inch from the edge. The key is that each nail is flush and in steady. Nothing crooked, nothing overdriven or too underdriven. And that way we're gonna have a good, clean roof. Again, every nail right, every time is the mindset. So again, the mindset is every nail right, every time. So for example, here's an underdriven, crooked nail. There it is. We pick up our hammer and we're gonna go ahead and bang that in place. Then if you need to, you can take some roofing cement. If you need to seal in the area at all, you can. Mistakes will happen in roofing, but taking care of them is the key. Another thing that we train on shingle nail placement is that this is called a shingle seam. So we cannot have a nail closer than 4 inches to that seam, otherwise it can create a leak. So we have this nail here, it's about 7 inches or so away from this seam, which is perfect, right? Because if you have a nail in this area, water will get to it over the years and it will leak it out, so that is something key to keep your eye on. So as you go throughout the day, you can turn your compressor up or down if your nail depth is not correct. Again, it's important that every nail is in the right place, that every shingle is straight along the reveal mark or along your chalk lines. Installing these roofs right now means they'll last 20 years plus for our clients.